We are pleased to show you the 2017 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power door locks, compass, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.